Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the Tmotor FT5 5-inch freestyle frame. This video is going to be the first out of 3 videos where in the first one I'm going to assemble the frame and go over its features and specs. In the second one I'm going to assemble all the electronic components, and in the last video I'm going to thrust test the Tmotor Pacer 1950 kV motors and head outdoors and test the new build. In terms of packaging, inside the box of the frame you can find a pretty clear assembly diagram, a high-quality battery velcro strap that features a metal buckle and woven rubber strings, which are going to make sure that the battery is going to be properly secured, all the needed screws for assembling the frame, and as you can see they are nicely packed and labeled, 4 replaceable carbon fiber arms, the required aluminum spacers, a bag with 3D printed TPU parts, the bottom, middle, top and side plates, and a bag with 2 anti-skid battery stickers. Now I'm going to assemble the frame, and I will see you in a bit in order to check the results. As you can see, now the Tmotor FT5 frame is assembled, so let's go over its features and specs. First of all, the weight of the frame, including the 3D printed TPU parts, is 127.6 grams. The wheelbase of the frame is 225mm and it features a Squash X pattern. The thickness of each replaceable carbon fiber arm is 5mm and its width is 11.4mm. The thickness of the bottom, middle and top plates is 2mm. And the distance between the middle plate and the top one is 25.3mm. The included 3D printed TPU parts are going to provide you with a protection for the front bottom part, which is more prone to crashes, and will enable you to easily mount radio and video antennas. On the center of the frame you can find both 20x20 and 30.5 by 30.5mm mounting holes, so this frame is compatible with both full-sized and mini stacks. On the back of the frame you can find various mounting holes that will enable you to mount different types of video transmitters, and the backside has enough space to accommodate a DJI AirUnit digital video transmitter, but you will have to mount it either using a double-sided tape or using a custom 3D printed mount, which is not included. In addition, the Tmotor FT5 frame supports mini, micro and of course nano-sized FPV cameras using a nano to micro camera adapter. By default, the side plates of the frame are designed to accommodate a mini-sized camera, and if you'd like to mount a micro camera, you can use these provided 3D printed TPU adapters. On the side plates of the frame, you can find different mounting holes that will enable you to mount the camera in different angles and in different positions. So overall, as far as I can tell, the Tmotor FT5 looks like a great freestyle frame as it features high quality carbon fiber parts. It features replaceable carbon fiber arms, so in case you break an arm, you can simply replace it. The arms are pretty robust and offer protection for the motors. It supports both mini and full-size stacks, and it offers plenty of room to mount your electronic equipment, including a DJI video transmitter. And I really like this 3-piece top design that will enable you to easily service your drone and also replace a single part in case you break it. Finally, the FT5 frame cost $50, which is a pretty decent price considering its features, and if you are debating whether to get it or not, I think that you should also take into consideration the fact that it is backed up by Tmotor, which is a well-established company in the drone industry, so even though they are not existent at the moment of shooting this video, I'm pretty sure that spare parts are going to be available soon. This is actually an important aspect when picking up a new frame, because if you buy a frame and build it and then crash your drone, which eventually is going to happen if you're going to fly it, if you will have to buy a new frame in order to replace a broken part, it's going to be a waste of money. So that's going to be it for my review of the Tmotor FT5 frame. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a part 1 of 3, so stay tuned for my upcoming videos. As always, I thank you for watching my video, I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.